మన ఐడి నెంబర్లన్నీ మార్చాలి అసలు యాక్చువల్గా. అట్లా కాదు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రతిసారి ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళకి సపోజ్ దే హ్యావ్ సమ్ వర్క్, దే విల్ గో లైక్ దట్. దే కాంట్ స్టే ఎంటైర్ క్లాస్, దే కాంట్ స్టే. సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ వర్క్ దే విల్ గో. అట్లా కాదు, స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే దే హ్యావ్ టు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఓకే టుడే వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ అసైన్మెంట్, ఓకే ఎవ్రీవన్ కెన్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్, రైట్? But while you are teaching, we have to concentrate on the board. Na? At that time, no student can recognize, is it not? Nice entry, immediate ga attention diversion aval kada. That is a bigger problem avutundi. ఓన్లీ ఈ 2 బ్యాచ్లు, బ్యాచ్ 1 బ్యాచ్ 2 లోని ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది. వరాస్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అదే ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ మనకి ఈ pragna.com ఇవన్నీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఓన్లీ మేనేజింగ్ ఆల్ ది థింగ్స్. అవే నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు రా, ఈ రోజు నుంచి చేసినట్టున్నారు ఏందో. ఉన్నాయా? అదే ఇప్పుడు చూడు, ఎల్టిఐ ప్రో అని వచ్చింది, యూజ్డ్ బై హోస్ట్ అకౌంట్ అడ్మిన్ అని అన్నాడు. ఇంకోటి యాప్ బై వరాస్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. అంటే ఏమిటి అసలు ఇవన్నీ? ఏం అది అర్థం కావడం లేదు. అంటే మన లెసన్లన్నీ వింటుంటారు వాళ్ళు. మన లెసన్లని రికార్డ్ చేస్తారా ఏంది? ఏమిటో ఇవన్నీ. We have to concentrate on teaching, or we have to concentrate on this? I'm unable to understand. సరే వర్కౌట్ చేయ, అసైన్మెంట్ వర్కౌట్ చేయ. శ్రేయ స్టార్ట్ చేసినావా?
Yes, sir.
చదువు. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంది? Oh, you have to come from the bottom, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the first one?
First question is not there, sir. Fourth question is there.
Fourth question only. That only I am telling you.
When halogen except fluorine is passed through alkali in different conditions, the halogen undergoes.
What they undergoes? Don't see the
Both
answer.
oxidation and reduction.
What is the name of that reaction called? Both oxidation and reduction. What is the name of
Redox
the
reaction.
Redox reaction.
కాదు? వాడు దానికి ఒక స్పెషల్ నేమ్ ఉంది కదా. What is the special name given for that?
Disproportionation reaction.
Disproportionation reaction. Both oxidation and reduction by same compound is called disproportionation. Next question, read it. Afrin, you read it.
Yes, sir. The gas is liberated during the electrolysis of the aqueous solution of hydrogen fluoride.
Hydrogen fluoride. What are the liberates? We don't get fluoride. We will get oxygen. Hydrogen will get, but we don't get fluoride. We will get oxygen. Because
Yes.
in order to deposit fluorine requires high potential. That's why oxygen gets liberated. Moreover, fluoride is highly electronegative. It won't deposit. Next.
So next is the matching question. So two lists are given.
Mm.
Property and the order. which
Okay,
it follows.
tell me.
So this is for halogens: melting point, boiling point, electron affinity, bond dissociation energy.
Melting point and boiling point are almost same, right? Down the group, melting point increases as molecular weight increases, right?
Yes, sir.
Molecular weight increases, that definitely it will increase.
Yes.
So melting and boiling points are same. Electron affinity, chlorine greater than fluorine, greater than bromine, greater than second option. And bond dissociation energy, chlorine greater than bromine, greater than fluorine, greater than iodine, third option, right?
Yes, sir.
So 5, 5, 2, 3 matching. అందుకే మీకు ఇది అసైన్మెంట్ పంపించాను. దీనిలో ఒక క్వశ్చన్, లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఇవి నేర్చుకుంటే చాలు. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అబౌట్ హాలోజన్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్? ఆల్ ఆర్ డయాటామిక్ అండ్ ఫార్మ్స్ యూనివాలెంట్ ions. All are capable of exhibiting several oxidation states. No.
No,
All are
sir.
diatomic and form divalent ions. Atla. Because fluorine cannot exhibit variable oxidation states. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
అది
sir.
అట్లా చూడండి. ఇలా స్టేట్మెంట్స్ చదివితే అర్థమవుతుంది. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి 1 by 1. డోంట్ కీప్ క్వైట్, బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఏ విత్ alternative questions have so much of statements are there. Try to clarify. Afrin, are you doing? Afrin, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Sarush is there? Sarush. Sarush. ఈ మహేష్ వీళ్ళు ఈ సయ్యద్ నజీఫ్ అని ఉన్నాడు, ఆల్వేస్ కమింగ్ వితౌట్ ఐడి.
అవును సార్, ఆయనకు చెప్పాను, చేరవట్లేదు, వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్ కూడా చేరవట్లేదు అది ఐడి నెంబర్.
సమ్మన్ ఈస్ దేర్, శరణ్య రాజేష్.
శరణ్య రాజేష్ ఎప్పుడు ఐడి నెంబర్ తోనే వస్తుంది, మరి ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు వచ్చిందో
ఐడి నెంబర్ తో రాలేదు.
శరణ్య రాజేష్
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీటింగ్ వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ లో పెట్టినాం అనుకో, వచ్చినారనుకో కొట్టేస్తున్నాం మనం. బికాస్ వాళ్ళు దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ విత్ సర్టెన్ నేమ్స్.
So I'm there, sir.
You are there. Sarush.
Yes, sir.
Why your mic was not working?
Yes, sir.
Are you working that assignment, Sarush?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you can clarify, right?
Yes, sir.
Fast, complete it, because that is a very good assignment with all statements, because so that you will have grip over halogens.
Okay, sir.
Ishma, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, earlier you used to ask doubts, now you keep quiet. Why?
No, sir, nothing like that.
Not like that. Earlier you are so active because you have been asking doubts, but nowadays you are not asking. Because sometimes, we'll forget to call you. That's by default, right? Some names we can remember, some names we can't remember.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. So I have doubt in exercise 1, sir, 58.
Sarosh, tell.
Exercise 158 question, sir.
Exercise 1. Working book with me. What is you read, I will tell. No problem.
Predict the correct product when chlorine is passed through HOOH solution.
Chlorine is passed through
HOOH solution.
HOOH.
Yes, sir. 58 question of exercise 1.
HOOH.
Yes, sir.
Or water.
No, not water, sir. They gave like a structure.
Maybe printing mistake is there. Just I will check it. Wait. HOOH is hydrogen peroxide.
Yes, sir. That question. 58 of exercise 1.
58 of exercise 1. You have book with you?
Yeah, yes, I am having books.
Okay. Just wait. O818 hydrogen peroxide. Predict the correct product when chlorine is passed through hydrogen peroxide, that is.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is HOOH is hydrogen peroxide. See what happens, there. Hydrogen peroxide is acid, na?
Yes, sir.
So it reacts with chlorine, na?
Yes, sir.
So what is the acid function? It gives proton, right?
Yes, sir.
So H plus and Cl minus, right?
Yes, sir.
2 moles of hydrogen chloride and 1 mole of oxygen, right?
Yes, sir.
So both oxygens are isotopic, right?
Yes, sir.
That is. So hydrogen peroxide is dibasic acid. It gives 2 protons. So
Yes.
reacts with 2 chlorines, forms 2 moles of HCl.
Yes, sir.
And 1 mole of oxygen, right?
Yes, sir.
So both isotopic oxygens are present in the oxygen only, right?
Yes, sir.
What that indicates that hydrogen peroxide is a dibasic acid. It can give 2 protons. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Like that you have to ask questions. That's good.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello?
Sir,
Yeah. Say loudly.
I have a doubt, sir.
Now, Dafrin, keep your microphone near.
So now am I audible?
Hmm.
A halogen X reacts with sulfur and gives a compound Y. Y reacts with ethylene to give mustard gas.
Why reacts
Then
with?
X and Y.
Why reacts with?
Ethylene, sir.
I will tell you, understood. X sulfur reacts with chlorine gives S2Cl2. Okay?
Yes.
Sulfur S2Cl2 reacts with ethylene gives mustard gas, war gas.
Okay, sir.
I told you in chlorinated compounds, one of the war gas of the chlorine compound, mustard gas. Check your notes. I have given you under chlorinated compounds.
Yes, sir. The mustard gas formula you've given, sir. Preparation is not.
That is mustard gas, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
That is a war gas. Sulfur reacts with chlorine gives S2Cl2. That S2Cl2 reacts with ethylene gives mustard gas. It is the one of the war gas used in World War II. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
exercise 150 questions, sir.
Who is this? Sarusha?
Yes, sir.
Like this, you have to ask. I will appreciate. Exercise?
1.
Exercise 1.
T. Question.
Read the question. What is there?
A metal M forms chloride in its +2 and +4 oxidation states. Which of the following statement about these chlorides is correct? MCl2 is more volatile than MCl4. First option. Second option, MCl2 is more soluble in anhydrous ethanol than MCl4. Third option, MCl2 is more ionic than MCl4. Fourth option, in MCl2, the cation has more polarizing power than cation in MCl4.
Listen. First, you have to know the basics here, Sarush.
Yes, sir.
Generally, elements, right? Because if you refer the notes, you can know that. You know, +2 oxidation state.
Yes, sir.
Halides are more ionic. In +4, they are more covalent. First point, right?
Yes, sir.
In +2, they are more ionic. In +4, they are more covalent.
Yes.
So that is the first point. Point number 1. MCl2 is more volatile. More volatile means low boiling point.
Low boiling point, yes.
Wrong. Na? Ionic compounds have high melting points than covalent. Is
Covalent,
it not?
yes.
So first statement is wrong, right?
Yes, sir.
MCl2 is more soluble in anhydrous ethanol. Wrong. It is ionic compounds are more soluble in water, right?
Yes, sir.
So second statement is wrong, right?
Yes, sir.
And fourth statement, MCl2, the cation has no, as the charge of ion increases, polarizability increases, according to Fazen's rules. So first, second, and fourth statements are wrong. Only third statement is correct.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
See, we don't want the answer. We have to analyze the question, right?
Yes, sir.
First, we have to know in +2 oxidation state of halides, that is more ionic. In +4 oxidation state, that is more covalent. So more ionic, soluble in polar solvents. More ionic, less polarizability. A good work you are doing. Do it like that. Good
So
work.
one more question, sir.
Afrin.
If chlorine gas is passed into an aqueous solution of potassium iodide containing carbon tetrachloride and the mixture is shaken, then option 1, upper layer becomes violet. Second, homogeneous violet layer is formed. Third, orange color appears. Or fourth, lower layer becomes violet.
Where did you come across this question? Tell me.
So, exercise 2, question number 32, page 103.
111. I will tell you with reasons, not just answering, because a lot of things has to be discussed here, right?
Yes, sir.
So listen. Which question? 32?
Yes, sir. 32, page 103.
Listen. Chlorine gas is passed to potassium iodide, right? Chlorine displaces iodide, na?
Yes, sir.
And converts into
KCl.
iodine. It liberates iodine, right?
Yes.
So which is heavier? Chlorine is heavier or iodine is heavier?
Iodine is heavy.
So which is at the bottom? Iodine or chlorine?
Iodine.
Iodine has
So
what?
lower layer becomes violet.
What color iodine has? What color?
Violet.
Violet. Where is it? At the bottom, na?
Yes, sir.
First you have to know chlorine displaces potassium iodide from potassium iodide to iodine. Cl2 plus Ki gives rise KCl plus I2. But iodine is very heavier. So settles at the bottom in the form of violet layer. Is it correct option given or not? Option correct only?
Yes.
Good. Good question that is. Always question should be what you call as some logic, no by hearting.
So same page, question number 41, sir.
Perchloric oxidation state +5. Adena?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Page 103, question 41.
103, 41.
Yes, sir. Most stable and correct structure of COCl2.
CO, you know what is COCl2? First you have to know.
Yes, sir.
What is COCl2? What is COCl2?
Phosgene, sir. Carbonyl chloride.
Excellent. Phosgene, right?
Yes, sir.
One by one, I will analyze. See, chlorine cannot form double bond. Chlorine always forms single bond. Na? Between
Yes,
carbon and chlorine, there is a single bond, right?
Yes, sir.
Oxygen is not central atom. So first and second are
Yes,
wrong. Third and fourth you take. If carbon and oxygen forms two bonds, how many electrons should be present there? There should have 6 electrons. Already 2 electrons are involved in bonding for oxygen. So
Yes.
third structure is correct. Okay?
Yes.
First structure is wrong. No double bond between carbon and chlorine. Second structure is wrong. Oxygen is not a central atom. Carbon is a central atom. Structure itself wrong. And third and fourth. In the fourth, an oxygen, 3 lone pairs are present, even though it forms double bond. But in third, only 2 lone pairs are there. It forms double bond. So answer third is correct.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
ఏదో కూడా రీజనింగ్ ఉండాలి. రీజనింగ్ తో మనం చెప్పుకోవాలి. జస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కాదు మనకు కావాల్సింది. We have to analyze the 4 options. Why first one is wrong, second one is wrong, fourth one is wrong. We have to analyze. On analysis only we can get a correct picture.
Answer next page 46 question.
Next page.
46.
ఒక 2 minutes ఉండు. వాటర్ తెచ్చుకుంటాను.
Yes, sure.
I will bring water. చెప్పునానా
46th one, sir.
ఇట్లా వర్కౌట్ చేయాలి. The aqueous solution of which of the following will have lowest pH? Avuna?
Yes.
See, it is connected to what you called as your acids and bases, ionic equilibrium of first year. You know, here we have to know from hypochlorous acid to perchloric acid, acidic strength
increases.
Right? Acidic strength
Increases.
pH
Decreases.
decreases. So sodium perchlorate has lowest pH, right?
Yes, sir.
That's all. From hypochlorous acid HOCl to HClO4, acidic strength increases. Acidic strength increases means pH decreases. So sodium perchlorate NaClO4 has lowest pH and more acidic. Understood?
Yes.
You are spotting good questions because these are all connected to, always, inorganic, they will ask you the questions connected to electrochemistry, connected to kinetics, connected to, like that, they will ask you the question solutions. ionic equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, like that questions they will ask you.
Sir?
What, Sarush?
Yes, sir. Charge distribution in iodine monochloride is best represented as
Charge representation of
iodine monochloride is best represented as.
I plus Cl minus. So iodine is less electronegative,
But they
chlorine
gave
is more electronegative.
positive and partial negative, sir, as answer.
No, you just tell me the question number.
78, exercise 1.
Maybe wrong will be there. 78. Charge formation.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Delta plus an iodine, delta minus an chlorine, because they are covalent compounds. Na?
Yes, sir.
So partial charges on iodine, partial charge on chlorine, right?
For covalent compounds, partial charges, sir.
Partial charges. Polar covalent compounds.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Less electronegative will get partial positive charge. More electronegative element will get partial negative charge. For example, HCl is covalent, hydrogen chloride, right?
Yes, sir.
Hydrogen get partial positive charge, chlorine get partial negative charge.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in that page, question 74, sir.
In which page, Amma?
Page 100, sir.
Page 100, tell me.
Question 74.
74. Which of the following interhalogen does not exist? IF7 exists, ClF3 exists, ICl3 exists. Bromine Cl2, of course, does not exist. Because what is the reason, there is a less electronegative difference between bromine and chlorine. So bromine cannot show maximum oxidation state +7 there, right? ఇప్పుడు +7 ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. What you are Afrin, you are asked na?
Yes, sir.
If any halogen has to exhibit highest oxidation state, the other halogen should be highly electronegative.
Yes, sir.
Because IF7, fluorine is highly electronegative, right?
Yes, sir.
So, because for the excitation of electron, the next halogen should be highly electronegative. Bromine chlorine electronegative difference is very less, right?
Yes, sir.
That is. So, in order to exhibit highest oxidation state, the other halogen should be highly electronegative, like fluorine. That's why fluorine forms maximum number of interhalogen compounds.
Sir, the same type of question number 79, sir. It's fourth option because it does not exhibit positive oxidation state.
Wait, one more condition. No conclusion, Ravadu. The interhalogen does not exist.
Yes, sir.
IF5 will exist. ClF3 will exist. BrCl3 exists. ICl4 oxidation state ఏంటంటే ICl4, what is the oxidation state?
Of chlorine, sir, or iodine?
For iodine.
It will be +4.
+4. But interhalogen compounds are formed by +1, +3, +5, +7.
Yes, sir.
God possible కాదు కదా. XX, XX3, XX5, XX7, right?
Yes, sir.
The ICl4 minus will exist. ICl4 minus will exist. In ICl4 minus, oxidation state of iodine is +5. You check it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Third, ICl4 doesn't exist. ICl4 minus will exist. But interhalogen compound state, listen, in interhalogen compounds, oxidation state should be +1, +3, +5, +7.
Yes. So here BrCl exists because it is in low oxidation state of +1.
Emma?
Here BrCl is also there, no, sir, as one of the options. So does it exist?
Br is +1, no? Bromine Cl. Bromine is less electronegative than chlorine. Now, bromine will exhibit +1. Na? Okay.
Okay.
BrCl, chlorine is more electronegative. Bromine is less electronegative. Chlorine exhibits -1. Bromine exhibits +1.
Yes.
Good work, all of you are doing. Always in the class, you go on teaching, you are listening. It's a boredom. You have to ask this much interaction.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Okay, Afrin.
Yes, sir.
We'll discuss tomorrow. Baleshwar, you did it. Girls are asking doubts, but you are not asking. Okay, Sarush.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tomorrow we'll continue, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.